Well, I spoke with a doctor in Olathe who says it's known in the medical community that hospitals like this are seeing a high number of COVID patients due to the Omicron variant. He gave a timeline of when he expects those cases to go down, and the answer might surprise you.
The worst is probably yet to come.
From school closures to hospital shortages, the Omicron variant is wreaking havoc on the metro. In the Northeast, cases are going down. But that's not the story on this side of the map. Organizations like Global Care Force, who sends volunteer nurses out to areas in need, say even they are affected by the surge.
For us, it has really put a strain on our ability to help out these under-resourced communities.
But is there an end to the madness? Dr. Gary Morsch with Doxu Care in Olathe says not for now.
Probably for the next 2 to 4 weeks, it's going to be pretty rough here.
He says while places like Boston and New York are on the decline, here locally, the surge will continue. And it's not just cases that are falling behind.
And we know that hospitalizations lag a couple weeks, and then the death rate lags after that. This is unprecedented, no doubt. And probably it's not the last of the viruses out there, perhaps coronaviruses that come our way.
And he has a message for those who are simply awaiting what's next. He says there's hope. We know now more about the virus itself.
It's respiratory, it's not the surfaces. We're not wiping our, Amazon boxes that have been delivered to our houses like we were.
And we know how we can do our part to help curb the spread.
What can we do about it? Well, of course, try to get your vaccinations.
While we may be anxious to get back to normal, he says just buckle up for the rest of the Omicron wave.
And it's going crazy here. And we just have to ride through this and do the best we can.
Now, Dr. Morsch says even though the symptoms or the severity of Omicron may be a little bit less than the Delta variant or the original variant, if you happen to get sick, you are to stay inside as recommended for 5 days. And when you come out, when the time is completed, be sure to wear your mask. Lauren?